from CMP Degree College. So basically I have made this innovative idea of removing excess greenhouse gases from the atmosphere. Like after festivals like Diwali or any other festival, after burning crackers and other things, we have a lot of greenhouse gases in our atmosphere. Even we are not able to control it after the artificial rain and other air purifiers. So I've thought of developing a air purifier which is controlled by AI ML models, artificial intelligence and machine learning. We can develop this model and connect it through the control board of AQI measurement, which measures ozone, CO, PM2.5 or PM10 particles. Then it will send message to this computer to the control room, and when we will develop the model, then it will tell that about that particular level we have to control it. It is necessary to control that particulate or gases. So it will send information to this portable air purifier, which can be installed anywhere in the on the roads or any public places, or even in the oceans, which are the great source of CO2 emitters. So it is basically made of nets which absorb particulate matter PM2.5, PM10, and then the remaining gases they pass inside. And then the carbon rods, they absorb the excess of CO2. Also CO2 can be absorbed by KOH, which is a very high absorber of CO2 or SO2. So we can remove excess of that gas and then condense the excess of methane gas and use it as a fuel for biogas production or any other production. And then the remaining purified gases will be passed out through this exhauster. So this is basic design of this model, and it has wheels, so it is portable and it can be used anywhere on the road. It can be installed anywhere. And the thing is that we cannot remove excess of greenhouse gases, so it is controlled by this AI/ML model, like random forest classifier, KNN, CNN trees, and decision trees. So I have made this, and also we can use cyanobacteria or any other methanogen bacteria that can also absorb CO2 and SO2 gases. So we can prevent and control it at our hands.